Hello everybody, I am Ne Neu. I am a learner of a Nokrek IT Institute. Nokrek IT Institute has been a great IT institute in our country. Nokrek IT have a great success rate in our country, providing all types of freelancing courses all over Bangladesh. It's been about 4 months I have worked with their institution, with their online page NITI 98063 with Nicodin Mooking sir, leading our way with the teaching of digital marketing. Our mentor have a great experience and a very skilled digital marketer. He teaches us with his utmost care and attention. When we need some help to understand anything about the topic, first of all, he listened to it very carefully and explained the solution of problems very nicely. With this kind of cooperation and help, I would like to continue my journey with Nokrek IT Institute and be successful in my freelance digital marketing career. Thank you everybody.